Hey, it's Ray here, and I wanted to do a quick video showing you everything that comes in Gene's new home services Bonanza. This is a really great program, and I'm going to tell you why. In the past, when we've promoted a lot of Gene's products, it was a set of social media packages and some trainings on how to use those to help businesses. And you usually got 60 graphics to use for posting for a fencing company or a plumbing company or whatever it happens to be. Well, in this one here, she's gone a little crazy, I think, with this one, because this is more than social posting. This is an entire agency training on how to do chatbots, how to do the social posting, how to do a bunch of other marketing things for those local businesses, along with your own website to be able to sell the services that's coming as well, directory stuff. So there's a lot of things in here. And instead of getting 60 graphics for one particular niche, she's actually got, let's see here, pressure washing, 180 of them this time. Plumbing images, 180 of them. Electrician, 180. Bathroom, 180. Handyman, 180. And flooring, 180. So you're getting 3 times as much times 6 different categories that you're going to be able to work with directly from here. And she's got a bump that gives you, for I think it's like $10 more, you can bump up to the next level, which gives you a few more of them. In fact, let me see if I've got that in front of me here. So that's going to give you 365 engagement engine images, the editable files, the comment sheets, etc. So you're going to get a bunch more stuff in there. And then she does have some upsells. OTO1, which is 157. That's going to give you 180 roofer images, 180 HVAC, 180 landscaping, 180 remodeling, 180 kitchen, 180 pest control, 180 lawn control, 180 dumpster rental, 180 fencing images, 180 junk removal, plus all the articles, the social covers, and everything else that comes with this. So for me, this is a really good deal, and she even has a package deal for all of it that you can get as well. But be sure to take a look here. I'm going to show you what's inside of this, and then of course take action by clicking down below. So let's take a look at the inside right now. All right, so this is the inside of the home service Bonanza, and you can see here it starts off with the welcome and Facebook group access. So right here, overview of the market. You got your show me the money, your resource lists, your 5 case studies, your checklists and guidelines, your lead generation hacks, and your step-by-step guide for the getting the new businesses, which is really the most important part. I mean, if you can't get the businesses, then the rest of it's kind of pointless. So the fact that she includes that in there is a big part of this. Talking about the online directory approach. And again, in this here, she's talking about different microservices you can provide that are easy to provide, have high value, and will get you money from the businesses in order to help them with it. So this is the first approach, the online directory approach. So she's got the training in here. She's got website files so you can create the directory. Okay. You choose your themes in here. You got WordPress trainings that I can teach you all about WordPress so that you can use all of these things in here. And you've got your different content sheets here for pressure washing, plumbing, electrician, bathroom remodeling, handyman, flooring. So these are all the businesses that they're going to give you right in the front end there. So that's a really good thing. These are the outreach emails. Okay, so this is an email for SEO, Google Business Profile Optimization, one for web design and landing pages, one for paid advertising, one for content marketing, one for email marketing, social media marketing, and reputation. And if you listen to our interview with Gene, you know that she doesn't really do SEO and she doesn't really personally do the paid advertising, but those trainings and information are in here specifically so for those that want to do that kind of work, because those are, people think of especially paid advertising as like a big crazy thing, and really it is a microservice for small businesses. You get into a big business and you're doing a lot of stuff. The small businesses, they got small budgets. You're just setting up very simple campaigns for them. Phone scripts for all the different things in here. You've got your agreements and forms. So again, as you get these clients, these are going to be agreements that you can use to write up that client. Onboarding forms. So this would be like the onboarding checklists and the onboarding forms and the follow-up guides. And then down here, client conversation scripts and templates. And then you've got your bathroom remodeling articles, your electrician articles, flooring articles, handyman articles, plumbing articles, pressure washing articles. And those, all of this works together. The articles, the advertising, the social media stuff, it works hand in hand so that you're really providing these clients a full experience that's going to help them to grow. You got your social covers, and they got different ones in here for different purposes. You got pressure washing, plumbing, electrician, bathroom, handyman, flooring. You've got ads that you can use for them. You've got flyers for each of them. You got postcards for each of them. And that's one of the things I didn't mention before is the actual snail mail stuff that's in here too. So you can send out postcards. That's still very, very effective. And a lot of digital marketing agencies, they don't do that anymore. So that's something that can really be helpful. I've got one guy that I work with on a lot of things, and his entire marketing is based off of postcards, and he kills with it. So that is still a very powerful thing. You got business card templates. You got your social media power ebook and your Facebook marketing and training video series here. And just to show you some of the actual stuff that you're getting in here for the social media stuff, let me go to that so I can show you that. I keep that in here under social media. So, yeah, good. They're right here at the top here. So you got your bathroom and remodeling. Okay. So you can see you've got 180 of these all the way through here. 180 of them. That's quite a few. You've got car washing is not one of them. That's one that I got from Gene for something else. But those are cool too. This one here is the ones for electricians, and you've got the flooring ones and handyman. So all of these so that you can post 180 times for these businesses and then recycle them. You can recycle them. As you automate this, just recycle them. The handyman. Okay. Plumbing. This is the 2.0 version of the plumbing. And the last one was, because I already had it, was handyman flooring. Was it electrician? Oh, no, it was the pressure washing one. So pressure washing I actually already have. So if we go out to here and we look up pressure washing somewhere in here. Yeah, there it is. So we got the pressure washing ones as well. Okay. And one thing to note is you're not just getting these great graphics that you can use, you're also getting the text posts that go along with it so that you've got a full posting that you get out there, and it makes it very, very easy. Typically what I do is I do a week of postings at a time, just in case we want to change anything after a week. You could do, a couple months at a time if you wanted to, and I have done that. But I've found that when I do that, come week 3, I want to post something different for whatever reason. And then, we've got all the stuff already scheduled. So I tend to do 1 week at a time and use these, and I mix them in with some other more specific things that we might be doing as well. But that's what you get inside of here. It is a complete local marketing agency for these different micro services that you can provide. And it's going to allow you to collect a monthly check from these businesses without having to put in hours and hours and hours of work, because you're going to automate most of this stuff, or you're going to be providing with software-based things. So just wanted to show you the inside of this. If you got any questions, of course, let me know. Okay, so that is the Home Services Bonanza. A ton of stuff in there for $29, $28. That is an incredible deal. Usually she's $37 for one social media package. Here you're getting, 6 packs times 180, plus you're getting all of the different trainings. You are getting the chatbot stuff. You're getting your own website, you're getting the directory stuff. So all of this is going to allow you to do a whole lot more to be able to not only get new clients, but to service those clients without having to spend a ton of time on each and every client. So you'll be able to get more money off of that and not have to put in as much physical time with that and provide amazing value to those businesses. So check it out by clicking the link down below. We have the bonuses listed down below where I'm giving you a whole bunch of more social media stuff that you can post to the different businesses. It's more generic stuff, so you can post it to any business, and that way you've got even more content to use with them. We're giving you some trainings on Canva. We're giving you some trainings on how to set up a YouTube channel for a local business and a whole lot more. So check those out down below. If you got questions, of course, let me know. I'll be glad to answer them. And we'll talk to you guys soon.